Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. It's back! The 2021 Ford F-650. By far the biggest vehicle I've ever driven. I loved this thing when I reviewed it probably about a year ago. And it's back. I got another one. This is awesome. Oh, this thing is terrifying. One here, including the dump body, stickered at $108,000, so it's definitely expensive, but it's also a lot of truck for what you're getting. I should say for what you're paying for what you're getting. Oh, this thing is awesome. Now, with this one, you have your horn and your horn. Oh, this thing is a riot. No backup camera, so doing this all by mirrors. There's that pull. Perfect. As you can tell, it has air brakes. It's a little finicky to get used to. But once you do, it is mint. Oh, there we go. 6.7 liter power stroke. See, that's like exactly what you don't want to do with air brakes. You can't just keep pumping the brakes. Does have an exhaust brake, of course, but this thing is massive. Can I just say that right off the bat? Like, massive. The Silverado is big. Obviously, the competitor to this, the Silverado MD. This is bigger. Way bigger. Bumpity, 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 bumpity. Holy cow. Ah, they put the Raptor there. Nice. Oh, this thing is massive. Tow haul mode. This whole thing is a tow haul mode. Traction control. off. No, I'm just kidding. What's the point? I mean, you got 4 wheels back there. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. You can't do that to me. As they move that car, this is about to get real bumpy real quick. There were hit bushes. That's fine. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're ideal. Perfect. Okay, just a little bumpy. Just a little bumpy. Not bad. I think from last time this got a new steering wheel, because I drove either a 2019 or a 2020. I think this got a new steering wheel, because I don't remember it being this steering wheel. There's no airbag though, no airbags. Only airbags is the suspension, although I don't know if this one's air suspension or not. Put it into tow haul mode, why not? And then in case that's cutting power, which I don't think it is, it's just heavy. Okay. Seriously? Let's make this turn. Come on. All right. This thing is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.